So I'm making this video for the people that's trying to get into detailing. I've done it a long time, and it's fun work, but it just takes time. And these are the sort of items you might need. So I'm going to show you the befores and afters, and the little steps here and there as I go. Starting off with a heavy duty compound, to a medium, to a light, and then a polish. So I'm going to show you from this tape where the before and after is going to be, where you can turn your car into a really nice shine. So you can start to begin here. I'll get this stuff wrapped up, and I'll show you step by step. So first off, you probably want to clean it a little bit. Put some degreaser down. Just do a quick clean. Give it a quick wipe. Get that old junk off. Dirt. Now that we got that wiped down, if you want to do some clay bar, you can usually use anything that you want that's clean. It helps a little bit. I usually use like a glass cleaner. Spray this down. Takes off the top coat of anything that's sitting on there. Kind of just give it a couple good wipes. Get all that top stuff off. Makes it nice and smooth, so you can actually put the Bondo, the Super Duty compound down and do it, rough it up a little bit, so you can get all the little small scratches out. Wipe that off. You can really make your car look nice after you get done seeing what I'm going to do. So once that's dry, add some Super Duty. You can usually put it on your pad or put it on the orbital buffer. Kind of get that all nice. This is the easier way, instead of having all that stuff blow everywhere and you have to clean it off after. Makes a mess sometimes, but some people do it this way. I do it both ways, but just to show you, it's not going to hurt the car. So this is a Super Duty heavy cut. Just get yourself a Harbor Freight buffer. They all do it. This will get the job done. I've done quite a few vehicles with this, and it works pretty well. We're going to take that off. You don't need it up really high either. It's just something just to get it going. But I turn it up as I go. nice and slow, nothing too quick. So after you see what that looks like, there's some lines and stuff, but that's not a big deal. You're gonna layer it so that you do a medium cut after. And that should level out a little bit better than you do a light finish and you do a polish. So the lines you shouldn't be seeing. So we'll go to the medium compound after this. So this is a medium cut. You don't want to go as fast. You kind of just put a little circle in there. Push it around some. You just go slow. And you add a little bit more if you think you want to try it a little bit more, smooth it out better so you don't see any more lines. I usually do it a couple times. You can get one of these buffers at Harbor Freight for like 30 or 40 bucks. No point in spending $200 on a buffer. This one will do the job. On the next one, we'll use a different pad the same way. This is a light finished buff here. We're gonna change the pad on that one. So you run a little bit of that. This stuff works pretty good, the light finish. Smooth it in there. Spits a little bit because it's not so thick, but do a little bit more, make it look a little bit better. It's all based on preference, how much you want to work it, but just a little bit of time can do a lot. You don't want it up on high speed because it's just gonna wreck it, spin everywhere. Just need a low speed. Take your time with it, it'll come out really nice. Clean the pad real quick. Wipe that off. Ain't too bad. Looks good. The clay bar makes a big difference when it comes to all this stuff. It's a pretty little blue. So now we're going to move into the polish. And I'll show you what happens. It's more a protector, really. But everything's smoother once you clay bar it. Because otherwise, sometimes waxes and it really sticks to the paint, so because all that stuff that's still sitting on it. So you work that clay bar in first, clean all that dirt off. It won't grab as much and it'll be nice and smooth every step. So on this, the polish, you just go slow. After you get that down and wipe it. Clean rags, microfibers. That's nice. Now you got a mirror finish. Compared to that. The big difference when you do it all right. You see right up to the ceiling. But yeah, that's how it works. I mean, that's the easy steps of buffing a car out. Clay bar, heavy duty, medium duty, light, then do a polish. It's a pretty easy setup to do. I mean, you don't need the best of the best of compounds and waxes. I mean, get yourself a nice McGuire's or Melco, but they have a nice, McGuire's setup. I mean, you can buff it, 6 different steps, 10 different steps, however finish you want. But this is a lighter finish. It's just, it does what it's supposed to do within like 3 steps, but the clay bar is a big deal. If you don't want your compound to stick to it and your waxes, it's easier. It comes right off. So that's it for that, and I'm gonna put some more up about some faded fenders too that aged over time. I'm gonna show you the before and after on that, because this thing's got some pretty bad fenders on it, but I'm gonna bring it back to life. But that's it for now.